He's a victim of gravity. The unbearable color of things gets him down. And as his raincoat covers me, we know it was never raining. Sorry it was me, was I thinking out loud? Sorry it was me, was I thinking out loud? I'm sorry it was me.
Do tohto parkovacieho automatu sme včera začali hádzať peniaze a postupne na displeji rástol ten čas, dokedy môžeme parkovať. Až dosiahol 9 hodín a potom už keď sme tam hodili 8 libier, tak to stále ukazovalo 9 hodín a aj keď sme tam hodili 9 libru, tak sme klikli zrušiť, na čo to vydalo 4 libry a vytlačilo nám to taký papierik, ktorý máme poštou poslať na radnicu tohto mesta, na čo nám oni vraj vrátia tie peniaze na náš britský bankový účet.
Sme v Manchestri a sme tu len preto, lebo ideme do Taco Bell.
I thought he was only asleep.
A to je práve mexické burrito z Taco Bellu.
Was I thinking out loud? Sorry it was me. Was I thinking out loud? Sorry it was me. Was I thinking out loud? Sorry it was me. Was I thinking out loud? His clothes on the floor, underwear silver line. The smell of lavender and tar brings me down. And if the telephone...
Práve sme sa skvele najedli v tom Taco Belli. Mali sme taco aj burrito. Taco nás stálo iba 99 pencí a bolo úplne skvelé.
Was I thinking out loud? I'm sorry it was me. Was I thinking out loud? I'm sorry it was me. Was I thinking...
Už sme sa naučili celkom dobre parkovať.